Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today, we're taking a look at the Razer Viper V3 Pro, Razer's lightest wireless esports mouse, designed for speed with a top-tier sensor and ultra-fast polling. But does it outperform its rivals at $159.99? Let's find out. Reminder, all featured gear is linked below, so scroll down if you want to check it out yourself. The Viper V3 Pro is slim and ambidextrous, weighing only 54 grams. That's lighter than the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. It has soft touch plastic, a raised hump for hand support, and textured grooves for grip. Black and white options are available. It uses the Focus Pro 35K Gen 2 optical sensor with up to 35,000 dpi and 750 IPS tracking. Very smooth and precise. The tracking accuracy is 99.8% and it handles movements flawlessly up to 750 inches per second. Comes with the hyper polling dongle, offering wireless polling up to 8,000 Hz. That's data every 0.125 milliseconds. In wired mode, it supports up to 1,000 Hz. Wireless click latency is as low as 0.4 milliseconds. Battery depends on polling rate, 95 hours at 1,000 Hz and 17 hours at 8,000 Hz. You can switch rates on the fly to save power. It has 5 buttons, including the wheel, with Gen 3 optical switches rated for 90 million clicks. Fast and durable. Buttons are crisp and reliable. Software allows DPI tuning, button remaps, and hypershift layers. Gamers say it feels incredibly accurate, improving flick shots in CS2 and Valorant. Some users notice minor sensor dropouts after lifts. Firmware updates help, but not always. There have also been reports of occasional scroll wheel wobble in early units. Pros: featherlight at 54 grams, ideal for fast FPS play. Precision sensor with 35,000 dpi and 750 IPS. Ultra-fast 8 kHz polling wireless. Long battery life, switch polling to save more. Durable optical switches rated at 90 million clicks. Cons: might show tracking bugs on some mouse pads. Firmware helps. Lacks compact dongle. The hyper polling dongle is bulky. Scroll wheel wobble reported on early batches. The Razer Viper V3 Pro is a speed demon. Super light, ultra responsive with pro grade sensor and fast polling. If you're a competitive gamer and care about Razer speed performance, it's one of the best mice you can get right now. Just watch for those early firmware quirks and make sure the dongle fits your setup. If this review helped you, drop a like. We really appreciate it. And if you're new here, subscribe and turn on the bell. You deserve top tier gear insights. Trust me, out of your top 5 decisions this week, adding this mouse is one of them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.